Hey y'all, what's up? So welcome back. I am back with another video, and today I am going to be reviewing this wonderful kit from Young Nails. Not that I needed it, but it got some white up in here, so I just decided I'd go ahead and get the whole little kit. Plus I want to try their little glue. So alright, so public service announcement: do not come for me, do not talk about my nails. I know I only got one hand done, that's okay, but we'll get to that on another note. But anyway, so starting out, this little package, it comes with this little card, and I don't feel like reading that right now, so we're gonna move that to the side and let's start here. So when you open it up, at the very top here, they have these little nail tips. So you have the clear ones and you have the natural ones, and they're 50 in a pack. And the next item is this rose oil. Okay, so that is 1 fluid ounce, and that feels like it was leaking. And we have a manicure brush, you know, to dust your little nails off. And we have some Ultimate Finish Gel. That's their top coat. The next thing in here is these little nail forms. I do not know how many are in here. Let me look at the card now. I really didn't feel like reading, but okay, I don't see it, but moving on. The next thing here is these little eyedroppers. So I'm guessing, you know, this is gonna go into your monomer and you put it in your little dapping dish. And this one is to go inside of the cuticle oil. And the next item is the protein bond. Then you have the nail glue here. We have the little dapping dish. Then we have here these little nail files. Let me open those up for y'all. Alright, so it's 5 of them in here. You have the 100, 100, 150, 180, 240, and another 180. Next up are these. You get 2 of them instead of 1. So they're both 6 ounces, so that is great. And let's see here, we have the Speed, whoa, Speed White. Oh Lord, Cover Blush, Speed Clear, Speed Frosted Pink, and Speed Pink. Okay, let me tell y'all, hold up. So I was excited to show y'all this kit because I thought this was a great kit for beginners, which it is. I'm not trying to downplay anything, but I'm a little bit salty right now because at this point I did not order the Speed kit. I ordered the core one because it had different colors in it. So we're gonna just, let me take a breath. Okay, because not only did I have to wait, I ordered this on the 15th. It didn't make it here until the 28th. So now I gotta decide if I want to keep this or just send it back. But anyway, moving on to the last couple items. This is the swipe, and this is what you use to clean the nails. Now, again, look at this. The oil, obviously, I can't even talk. It leaked in the bag. Okay, and the last little thing here is this brush. It is a size 10, and it's the spade brush. I don't know if this brush was supposed to come with this kit. I don't think this is the one that came in the other kit that I was supposed to have gotten, but I'll take it. We'll see how their brush works. So excited to try that. But I'm definitely a little disappointed. Like, oh my gosh, like, young nails, y'all have got to get it together, because I can't, like, these speed, look, guys, the speed kit is not for beginners. Yes, I mean, I will use the speed, but obviously I didn't want to get a kit to tell y'all, you know, to review it and tell y'all to get it if it's the speed, because it dries quicker. So I wanted to go with the core one with y'all, but that's fine. But anyways, this kit was $104 and some change. Now, if you go on the site and look at the prices of everything individually, it's a little expensive. So once I added everything up on the site, I'm like, ooh, I might as well get the kit. It made better sense. It was like $208. So basically they like slashed the price in half. So I definitely think this is a good kit for the price. I mean, you have more than just, you know, a couple, you know, little files to try out. You got a few of them here. You know, some kits only give you like one or two, but this one came with 5, so. And then look, I mean, look at the size of everything. Like, that's a really good size. So, you know, a kit. This glue, that's a good size. And then you get like 5, you know, good size powders. And then all of this monomer, like, come on. You definitely will not get this in any other kit that I've seen so far. So I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you are a beginner, again, I think this is a great kit to start out with. So just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If I can get my subscribers up, what I will do, what I'm thinking about doing, is getting another kit to give away to a beginner or someone who is in need of some nail products. So as always, y'all know what to do. I'm gonna get up out of here because it is late, but I did want to make this video for y'all before I went to bed, even though I'm a little crushed right now because, yeah. But we will get through it. But anyways, peace out, good night, and I will see y'all in the next video.